When you receive your PiBurn, it will contain following items: main rail, front motor assembly, end caps, a footboard, carriage, another footboard, and another carriage. First step is to attach the motor assembly to the rail. You might notice it already has brackets pre-installed with square nuts. Please note that the brackets might be facing the other way. It doesn't matter, procedure will be the same. You will need to slide those square nuts on the rail. Once you have it in, position motor assembly approximately in the middle of the rail. There is a little X on top of the clamp that marks middle of the device. Using provided 3mm Allen hex key, tighten M4 screws to secure motor assembly to the rail. Make sure it's laying flat on some kind of surface before you tighten both screws. Now let's take left side carriage. Do not confuse it with right carriage. Look for the notch facing forward on the motor side of the rail. This square nut goes into the rail groove and wheels will slide on the sides of the rail. Carefully slide carriage onto the rail, aligning the square nut. Tighten square nut slightly to prevent carriage from sliding. Now take left footboard piece. Just like with carriage, you will slide it with a square nut and the wheels over the smaller vertical post. Now repeat assembly from the other end. Finally, to finish assembly, take caps and place them at the end of all rails. This part is optional.